Bob and Brad, the two most famous physical therapists on the internet.
Hi folks, I'm Bob Short, physical therapist.
Brad Heineck, physical therapist.
Together we are the most famous physical therapists on the internet.
In our opinion, of course, Bob.
Today, Brad, we're going to show step by step how to use a wireless TENS unit for pain control. It's actually the iReliev 5050. Brad and I have looked at dozens and dozens of TENS units. We've said this before in other videos. We decided that we're going to endorse just one brand because this brand, besides being a good brand, also has really excellent instructions. But we thought to beef those up, we're going to show on video how to use it.
Exactly, Bob.
So I'm going to talk about the 5050 just real quick, Brad.
Oh, sure,
okay.
sure.
The cons of using the 5050, it is more expensive, and you do need to recharge both the unit and the pods. Do you want to show the pods just real quickly, Brad?
So here we go. Here's one pod. It comes with two pods, and here's the unit, and of course the charging cords with it.
And it has a hard carrying case, which Brad was showing there too, which is kind of nice. Yep. So it's powerful, it's compact, it's got the case, it's rechargeable, the display is backlit, it's got excellent instructions, it's got a 2-year warranty, and it's got a sizable discount if you use our link.
Right.
So having said all that, Brad's going to now demonstrate how to use this unit. I'm going to step out.
Oh, you're going to leave?
Yep, I'm going to leave.
Okay, see ya. Okay, here we are. So once again, here we got the unit and the case that it comes in. It has two pods, so you can actually treat two different locations at once or use it for one location that has maybe a broad area of pain symptoms.
You can buy extra pods too.
Yeah,
so
you can go.
You could do 4, right?
Exactly. Yep. So here are the electrodes. So one pod is actually, if you compare it to the other units, is one channel. So I'm just going to snap these on so they're ready to go. I just want to show you how it's wired up. You can do 2 pods. You can charge both at once, and then you do have to charge the main unit. So they just snap on here. It works very nicely. Now, I'm first going to go through and show you how to use. Let's say we had knee pain. I was going to take this, and you'll peel it off, and say I want to put it on my knee right here. Okay, I'm going to leave it here so that it's easy to see how this works. So this is channel 1, and I did mark this one as channel 2, but we're setting channel 2 off to the side right now. We have them charged up. We put this on the area we want to treat, and to turn this on, you simply hold the on button, allow it to fire up.
Are you able to see, Mike? Oh,
that's good.
Okay.
All right. Matter of fact, so I can hold this still, I'm going to steady myself here. All right. See it, Mike? The only problem is I can't see it. I've got to put my cheaters on. So there we go. Oh, that's much better. All right. So now what we're going to do is first, this unit has TENS as well as EMS. We're going to go with the TENS. I'm not going to talk too much about the EMS, but to toggle it, you just, oops. Oh, I forgot. You have to turn this on first. So I'm going to hold this.
That's a good reminder, Brad.
Lights up.
I remember that happened to me before, and you're wondering why isn't it working?
Yep.
And so remember to first turn the pod on.
Exactly. So I've got that going. TENS is blinking. Okay. So if I hit up, it goes to EMS. We don't want EMS. We want to deal with pain, so we're going to leave it on TENS. I hit set again. It goes down to P1. That's program number 1. There's 8 different TENS programs, and that's how it stimulates and relieves your pain. You have 8 different options.
And they have some descriptions of those programs in the instruction book.
Exactly.
So you can kind of guide you to, but you really want to try the different ones to see which one works for you.
Exactly right. I went through all 8, and I found out I like P1 and P3 the best.
Sure.
And it's going to vary between people. All right. So let me see. I'm going to go back to, now to change this, here's P2, P3, P4. I'm going to go back down by using the minus button or the off button to get the P1. I'm going to hit set. That sets me on that program. Now it goes to time. It's set here at 30 minutes. I can go up and it goes by 5 minutes up to 1 hour. I'm going to go back down and set it for 30 minutes. And that's my choice. I'm going to hit set. So that part is set. And then it goes to the intensity. Okay. So this would be on my knee. I don't want to hold
And
my
that's
knee up.
channel 1.
Channel 1. All right.
So you got to go to channel 1 to set the intensity first.
Exactly. So if you look here, it says channel 1. So we're all lined up that way. And what we're going to do now is, can you see that, Mike?
Yeah, it's blinking too. The pod is blinking.
And that's how you know they're connected, because a pod will blink twice.
Yep.
And then we know and you'll feel it as well. Now I'm at 5. And typically, I would go up to 10 or 11. It was about as most as I felt comfortable with.
Slowly, though.
Yep. Take your time with
You may
it.
want to do, like, go up to 2 or 3 and then wait a few, like, 20 to 30 seconds in case it ramps up naturally.
Right. Now, I know because I went through this and I read on it, P1 does not oscillate.
Oscillate like that.
Channels 1, 2, and 3 does not oscillate. But if you can't remember that, like Bob says, play it safe and just turn it on. Because if they oscillate, it is programmed to oscillate intensity from a low to a high, and it takes a few seconds to go through that.
So if you go and put it on, you go, oh, I don't feel anything, and you put it up to a 10, and all of a sudden it oscillates even higher.
Right.
You're going to go, oh.
Yeah. Then you go to hit it down quickly. So,
Right.
and that's that way with any TENS unit.
Yeah. Yeah.
There's no getting around that. All right. And then once you get to, let me go back. And if you, like I just did, I went past it, so I'm back on 10s. You just hit set, because I want to change my intensity up to 10, and you're just keeping it till the intensity starts flashing. Then you can see I'm going to go up to 10 and see, the little indicator there says I got some connection. I said 10, I hit set, and now the timer will automatically start to go. I'll have this.
It locks in,
Yep.
Brad. So right now, if you hit the intensity at some point, it would no longer go up or down.
Yeah,
right?
you have to wait so many seconds. Yeah, and it's locked right now. It won't go up or down. And that way, if this is in your pocket and you lean forward and let's say it hits the positive or the plus accidentally just because of pressure against your pants, it won't jump up from 10 to a 15 just because you're leaning on it.
So how do you take it back down if you're,
If you want it, that's a good question. I'm going to go to set again, go to 10s. I'm going to continue
go
on.
all the way through it.
Yep, all the way through to the intensity. It only takes as fast as you can push the button. And let's say I'm going to go back down to turn it off. I'm going to go to 0. There we go. And then I can turn it off, hold the off button. It has to be on 0 to turn off, though. You won't be able to do it while it's operating. Oh, I'm sorry. We have to
turn the pod off.
Turn the pod off first. There's some sequences that you will do well with after you operate it a few times. And we should be going off here.
Yeah, it's hard to remember because on the other 10s you don't without pods you don't have to do that. So
there we go.
That shutter off.
Yep. So
you'll get more comfortable with it over time as you work with it.
Right.
And but there's also the instruction book. It's got the step-by-step quick start guide, and it's got a really good instruction book too.
And this goes through all the technical data in detail. A lot of it you will not need to know, but they put it in there unless you're the engineering type. And then the short instructions here.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. The company's always got good service too, so if you have any questions, you can give them a call.
Right.
So, all
right.
Thanks
Thank
everybody
you
for watching.